If you're staying at Disney's Caribbean Beach and want to maximize your Disney resort experience, then you're going to want to listen up. Today we're sharing our pro tips on scoring the best room at this love it or hate it resort. Hey friends, Erika here. Welcome back to our channel. No matter which Disney pro you talk to, whenever you mention Caribbean Beach, you're going to get a very passionate response. The truth is, people either love this resort or hate it. And with this being the largest resort on Disney property, and with relatively underwhelming theming in most rooms, it's easy to see why. We've done a whole video on the pros and cons of Disney's Caribbean Beach, and we'll link that below. But today we're going to help you submit your room requests like a pro to ensure you maximize your chances of getting a premier room at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Disney's Caribbean Beach is a moderate category resort located in the Epcot Resort area. The resort is inspired by the islands of the Caribbean with vibrant colors and tropical theming. Caribbean Beach is broken up into 5 different neighborhoods, representing different Caribbean islands that are spread out across 200 acres of the Disney World property, all surrounded by Barefoot Bay. Alright, onto your first major decision, choosing a room type. Disney's Caribbean Beach has 3 main categories of rooms: standard, preferred, and pool and water view. Choosing between the 3 really is more about the general location or neighborhood you want to stay in. While water or pool view rooms are available in most of the neighborhoods, preferred rooms will place you in either Martinique or Barbados, and standard rooms are located in Aruba, Jamaica, and Trinidad. Now, for my Little Mermaid fans out there, Trinidad is where you'll find the 5th sleeper Little Mermaid rooms, which are either standard or pool or water view. Be sure to keep this in mind when booking. Don't book a preferred room expecting to hang out with Ariel, Flounder, and Sebastian, or you'll be sadly disappointed. If you're still not sure which room type is best, check out our Caribbean Beach standard room tour on our channel. We dive into more details on each of the room types. We'll put that link in the description box below as well. Okay, now that we've gotten the basics down, let's dive into our top room requests for Disney's Caribbean Beach. Whether you choose preferred for the convenience of being close to Old Port Royal, the main pool, and the dining, or standard for the Little Mermaid rooms or quick Skyliner access, you're going to want to make sure you get the best room possible for your Disney vacation. To help, Disney allows you to make room requests, and while they don't make any promises, we've found that more often than not, those cast members are able to work their magic and make our dreams come true. So we always recommend submitting those requests, and here are our top 3 recommendations for Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. As we mentioned before, saying this resort is big is probably an understatement, which means location is everything. You're going to want to make sure that you choose the right neighborhood that works for your group. While my Little Mermaid fans will be locked in with staying in Trinidad, for the rest of you, we recommend saving a few extra bucks and staying in a standard room in the Jamaica neighborhood. This neighborhood is on the Skyliner side of the resort, and while it's one of the larger neighborhoods, keep watching because our next request tip will put you in the prime location. Okay, this one is pretty specific, but it's so important, so listen up. There are about 24 individual buildings in this resort, and specifically in Jamaica, there are 6. Now, it might be tempting to request a building that is closer to the Skyliner main hub for easy access to that amazing transportation, but we actually recommend Building 45. This building is just about as centrally located as you can get, and it's just a quick 5 to 10 minute walk anywhere, including the Skyliner, Old Port Royal, and the main pool. Just take the Caribbean K shortcut and boom, you're right there enjoying a resort day taking in that beautiful Florida sunshine poolside. Okay, this one seems a little odd and is a pro or a con any way you choose, but here's the deal. The buildings at this resort have 2 floors, but not a single elevator. So, if you need special accommodations or have a lot of luggage, strollers, or little kids, you might want to request a room on the ground floor. However, there's always a drawback to having upstairs neighbors: noise. Those floors and walls are thin, my friends. But let me tell you, while it's certainly a chore to haul the stroller and luggage up those stairs, it beats getting woken up early on your resort day because your friends on the 2nd floor are headed out to the parks bright and early. Dealer's choice here, but we always like to request to stay on the 2nd floor. So now that you know which room requests you want to make, how do you actually make them? Fortunately, Disney makes it so easy to add your request to your resort reservation. If you're working with a Disney travel agent, they can make those requests for you. Or you can call Disney directly a few weeks before your trip and ask to add a room request to my resort booking. It's super important to prioritize your top 3 requests and to provide them in order of priority. So, if you're following our room requests in this video and have selected a standard room that is not a Little Mermaid room, it may sound something like Jamaica, Building 45 on the 2nd floor. And just to double down, we like to mention that our requests are prioritized in that order when speaking to a cast member. Again, it's important to note that these requests are not guaranteed, so if Disney isn't able to get all of your requests, hopefully they can hit on the most important ones. Well friends, that wraps up this Score the Best Room at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort video. Make sure you're subscribed to see more of our Disney World content, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up too. We appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!